Welcome back again to Tech-Owned Solutions. Today we are going to make a speaker DC protection board. First, look at the circuit diagram. It's a simple 3-transistor DC protection circuit for stereo or mono configuration. You can use this board to protect your home speaker, PA speaker, subwoofers, and also it can use in car speaker too, because it's working with single 12-volt DC supply. Now let's look at the PCB layout. It's really small in size. For a better understanding, 2D view is better. Here it is. Let's see the fully assembled board in 3D. Look at this, we are going to make this exactly. So let's get started. Our printed PCBs arrived. Look how beautiful it is. It's made by using high-quality FR6 material and printed really well. We are making circuit for educational and hobby purpose. Because of that, we always added the component details instead profix, and the circuit diagram is publicly available. If you want the PCB, message me on WhatsApp. Let's look at the bottom side of PCB. We add large copper area for input and output to carry more current. And also we increase the pad size for better soldering. Now let's assemble everything. Components using for this project are easily available on local market. Assembling and soldering completed. Now let's test the PCB. It's working with 12-volt DC supply. Let's connect the 12-volt. See, first, the protection mode LED is lit. After some times the protection mode change to active mode, then the relay will switch on. I'm using a 12-volt 2-amp transformer as amplifier output. And a 12-volt incandescent lamp as load. The lamp is connected to ground and output. And one of the transformer wire is connected to the ground too. The other wire is connected to the amplifier input connector. You can see the lamp is on, with a delay. It's working perfectly. Now let's apply some DC voltage. To achieve that, I'm using a rectifier diode. Now you see the protection mode enabling in few seconds. You can adjust the timing by changing the big capacitor value.
If
If you have any queries, don't be shy to ask. I will be on comment box and also in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.